Hello friends, my name is Rodiyah, and today we are going to learn how to create a design in Python. So we're going to be using Python 30 again. So if you've watched my other videos, then you'll probably already know the setup you're going to use. But if you haven't watched any of my Python Turtle videos, just write this except without these variables. So after this, we're going to write for I in range for, and after that we're going to write another for I in range, and this time it's going to be 30. So if you don't know what for I in range does, then for I in range just repeat something. So it's going to repeat it for, so 30 times 4 times which in total is 90. So we're going to write C is equal to color sys dot hsv underscore 2 underscore rgb h comma 1 comma 0.6, and we're going to add another comma, and then we'll just add So next we're going to write h plus equals 1/n, and now we're going to write t dot color and now we're going to write C. After that we are going to write t dot circle 20 plus I, and then we'll use this feed symbol, and then we'll add 5. But now we'll see that I've used this symbol 2 times. This one it is for everything, but this one it is for mass. And we're also going to write comma 90. Now we'll save it, and then we're going to run our design. Now we'll see that it's just this. So now we are going to finish it. Now we're going to write t dot forward 100 and t dot left 90, and after that we're going to add another line, and then we'll press backspace to go back here, and after that we're going to write t dot right 90 and 30 dot done, because we'll be finished with it. Now we'll run our design again. Oh, I forgot to save it. So next we see that now we have this beautiful design. But don't mess with the colors. Or else this will happen. So now that is the end of today's tutorial. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell. So I just forgot to save it. That's why the effects of changing this color system work. If you change the color system, this is going to happen. It's going to show an error. See many times I will not show an error is if it is normal. So that is the end of today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell. Bye. Oh, I forgot to add brackets here. So anyways, now it's actually the end of the video. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell. Bye. Oh, I forgot to save it. This time it's actually the end of the video. So hope you have enjoyed today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell if you enjoyed this design. So bye. Okay, now the turtle button is working.